I want to bring in Dr. Anand Ranganathan on this. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, why is the lobby so keen to conjunct Hindus with radicalism, with, I mean, just about every fascist ideology that's ever sort of, manifested itself?
Yeah, good evening, Rahul. As you so eloquently pointed out, the story is not about Vincent. The story is about Shashi. At the moment Tharoor linked a member of the Capitol Hill mob to Modi, I knew it will come back to haunt him. He is the Malayali Monroe who unabashedly steps onto an air vent and exposes his hypocrisy, even as he pushes down on his flying lungi. I repeat, this Shashi Tharoor and Kapil Sibal combo should be marketed in a bottle as a shampoo and conditioner, head and shoulders above the rest in hypocrisy. The two outdo each other in embarrassing themselves with every statement they make. And unfortunately, Jairam Ramesh is fast catching up. I am in total awe, Rahul. I think these three musketeers have been given standing instructions to make their Lord and Master Rahul Gandhi appear more intelligent than them. And they are doing a splendid job of it. Credence is given to any man's utterances only after knowing his antecedents. One swallow does not a summer make. But in Tharoor's case, I suspect he was gifted the keys to Keshtu Mukherjee's drinks cabinet in the latter's will. And all he has been doing ever since is swallowing IMFL thinking it is Nimbu Pani. If he isn't lying on an industrial scale every other day, from claiming the Congress is the true repository of freedom of speech and expression, that Raghuram Rajan is going to be the governor of Bank of England, that there's a correlation between illiteracy and BJP voters, to peddling fake news and videos on Rafale, CA, 370, migrant workers, farm protests, to accusing others of what he is a doctorate in hypocrisy. The most delicious one being his claim that he is a Hindu, but him telling the court that he is not according to the court documents. The man is a history sheeter. Please understand it. If he wasn't made of wax himself, Madame Tussauds would have exhibited a statue of him by now. But on a serious note, Rahul, this is what they excel at. Linking every mob, every assault, every crime, misdemeanor that happens around the world to Modi. Please give me 30 seconds. And when it turns out to be a lie, they shroud themselves in a kambal and say, ab underground hone ka waqt aa gaya hai. Tharoor is the doctor who took the hypocritical oath instead of Hippocratic one. He is the fustian turnip, well advised to use eclaircissimo instead of vantageous abluctations, or it is kablooz for him.
Well, that's really an impassioned attack or a counter.